So, hello guys. Hello everyone. So, ngayon, meron tayong gagawin na matagal ko nang hindi nagagawa. So, balik tayo ulit sa ating workout routine. So, ganito kasi yun. Lagi kasi sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na mag-exercise na ako. So, pag dating ng bukas, sabi ko na naman sa sarili ko, bukas na lang ulit. Hanggang sa nakalimutan ko na talaga mag-workout. So, hindi ko na maalala kung kailan yung last talaga na workout ko, yung parang extreme workout na pinapawisan talaga ako ng sobra-sobra. So, hindi ko na siya maalala. I think last year pa yon. So, ngayon, balik ako ulit from scratch. But, you know what guys, na-realize ko din kasi na parang okay lang mag-start tayo ulit as long as gumagalaw tayo. So, galaw-galaw, kahit konti lang. But, ngayon, itong workout ko ngayon, hindi siya yung parang extreme. Kasi syempre, kakastart lang natin ulit after ilang months na hindi ako nakapag-workout. Kasi lagi walking lang ako. So, ngayon naman, mag-workout tayo. Home workout lang muna tayo. And let's do some cardio and dumbbells. So, yun. Let's start. So, yung gagawin ko, maghahanap ako ng cardio exercise na pang beginner lang muna dito sa YouTube. So, meron tayong nakita dito na ito talaga yung pinaka-first na lumabas. So, dito tayo sa pinaka-first.
4 months, 1 year.
Ayan. Let's do it, guys!
I want to go slow, I want to go fast. Okay, so just keep bouncing. Yeah, this is a great pace for people who are starting out, and this is a super pace to go 2 and back, 3 and back. Lovely. 4 and back. You don't need to go too low, but ensure.
So, to be honest guys, medyo nakakaya minsan kapag mag-start ka ulit sa zero, pero parang feeling mo, ang hina mo na, ang bilis mong mapagod. But I think it's part of the process. Because sometimes in life, we'll have to start again. Whether it's fitness, career, habits, or even healing.
Lovely. So, stick to Madeline's pace. If you've been working out for a while now, and so what if you
Ang sakit
guys
ng mga ano ko dito, mga
come back
muscles.
again to the main
Ang sakit ng
workout.
mga joints.
Yeah, the first one's going to be a sumo squat with a
So,
floor
halata na
touch.
talaga guys na never na
Now,
ako
without
nakapag-workout.
standing movements, okay, just for 2 rounds and go. Yeah. So, all my beginners are following Amrita. You can see her stance. She's taken a nice wide sumo stance position pace. If you want to slow down the pace, you can even do 1, 2, okay? It's a high knee hold. So I bring
Hindi
my
pa ako
knee up,
nangangalahati,
hold it
pero
there for just maybe
hinihingal
30
na.
seconds and switch. So my beginners, you just have to hold, step down, and switch to the other. But my advanced athletes are the one, a small jump, but it needs to happen at a slower pace. So I'll count for about 5 to 10 counts, right? But after that, 5, 6, 7, butt balance. Lovely. Almost there. And relax.
Parang
Very
yung
good.
sayo sa TikTok.
Yeah, okay. The monster is coming. Always the last movement is more super engaged. Your midsection is engaged, core tight. As fast as you can. Woo. Relax. You okay? Okay, yeah. All right. 20 seconds break. Get some water if you'd like.
Okay guys, so honestly, this is not about losing weight. And for me, this is about taking care of myself again. As a single mom, as someone who's always busy with work and life, sometimes we forget that our body also needs attention, di ba? Tama. So, hindi lang puro trabaho, responsibilities, at stress. Sometimes, we also need to give time for our health and well-being. Okay, nakasulat yung script ko dito guys. Kasi, pinapractice ko pa yung sarili ko. So, bear with me. Darating din tayo sa time na hindi na ako kailangan ng notes or script. So yeah, inom muna ako ng tubig. Sobrang ingay ng anak ko, guys. Of course, nag-rest muna daw sila. Tayo naman ay inom muna ng tubig. So kayo ba, guys? Ilang beses ba kayo mag-workout sa isang araw? Ako experience lang nung super busy ko sa trabaho as a virtual assistant like many years ago. Kasi nag-start ako maging VA 2009. Bago 1-year-old yung anak ko. And hanggang ngayon, I'm still a VA. Pero dumating talaga sa point na yung trabaho ko, like almost 24 hours, mag-stop lang ako or titigil lang ako para matulog. So, minsan yung tulog ko, 3 oras, 4 na oras isang araw. Sobrang matrabaho. Sobrang dami ko kasing client dati nung mga times na kaya-kaya ko pa na magpuyat, kaya ko pang magtanggap ng mga clients. And then I have reasons din kasi bakit kailangan kong gawin yon. Kasi syempre single mom tayo. Tapos, nung panahon na yun, nagkasakit din naman yung parents ko. Both of our parents. Pati yung kapatid ko, virtual assistant na rin siya. So, yun. Dumating talaga ako sa time na never ako nag-exercise. Sobrang taba ko na. Hindi pa uso yung Grab noon nung nagkaka-start ko lang. So, meron talaga akong nakastock na food. Every grocery, guys, aabot ako ng 5,000 to 6,000 kada grocery ko. Kasi sobrang dami ng pagkain na talagang binibili ko sa grocery. So, yun, talagang umabot ako, sobrang taba ko na. So, dumating din ng time na nagkakasakit na ako, halos every month na, sumasakit yung ulo ko. So, kasi kababayaan, never ako nag-exercise, wala akong even walking, wala ako niyan. So, ilang years din yan, hindi ko na maalala kung ilang years, pero dumating talaga ako sa ganyan and ayoko na maulit yon kasi nagkakaroon na tayo ng sakit. Eventually, kasi pag tumatanda tayo, nade-develop din yung mga sakit sa katawan natin. That's why we need to change our lifestyle. So, work out as much as possible. Kahit 30 minutes walking, 15 minutes na cardio, or kahit anong pwede tayo magpawis or control tayo sa kain natin. So, nakakatulong din naman kasi yung disiplina talaga. Number 1, discipline sa katawan. So, let's continue. I think I'm done. Tapos na tayo mag-rest. Ngayon naman, itutuloy natin to.
To go into the touch. You got one. Come on. You got one more round of the standing movements. You're doing amazing. Don't stop now. We're not giving up yet. All right, relax. Shake it up a little bit. And let's go to the jumping jacks for 50 seconds. Rotate. Yeah. Full range. Stay work. Almost there. Easy. Time. 3, 4, focus. 5, and relax. Okay. We'll give you about 2 to 4 seconds. Great pace, team. Great, Amrita. Come on. Breathe in, breathe out. And relax.
So, ngayon naman guys, dito naman daw tayo sa lower body.
Spine. Okay, focus. Head aligned with the spine. Yeah? Yeah. Perfect. Holding that right leg out. You're not moving or shaking. Great start, Amrita. Perfect. Hold on. No problem. Beginners follow Amrita. And up. Yeah, that's it. So chest open. Sometimes you tend to need really work on your knees.
Hindi kaya.
Fatigue at this point, you can even drop the leg down. But this is perfect position. So what will tend to happen is your hip will tend to drop closer to the floor. So you got to be a little more nice straight. Right? Even in this position, you tend to drop your hips down. But it's okay to touch down and relax.
So, I think ito na yung ating first day of workout. Walang pressure dapat. Walang mga unrealistic expectations. Just showing up, moving your body. Yun lang importante talaga. And of course, this time, be consistent. Kasi hindi ako consistent. Dati lang naman din yun, no? Pero wag na natin balikan yung dati. So ngayon, balik tayo ulit sa pinaka-start. And feeling ko kasi parang bumibigat na rin yung katawan ko. And feeling ko parang bumabalik na naman yung sakit ng ulo ko. Feeling ko hindi na ako masyadong makahinga. Feeling ko kasi masikip na yung katawan ko. Medyo tumaba na ako. So, eto na naman tayo ulit. Balik workout. But it's okay guys. Medyo nahihiya lang din talaga ako minsan kapag lagi akong nagsisimula tapos hindi ko siya tinatapos. Siguro it's about the way how I value things. Kasi minsan parang hindi ko nakikita na valuable itong mag-workout. Kaya lang, pag nagkaroon na kasi tayo ng sakit, mataas na naman yung cholesterol ko or baka may diabetes or kahit anong mga sakit na iniisip natin. So ngayon ako naman ay ayoko nang balikan din yung mga times na yung lagi ako nag-worry. So ngayon, para hindi ako mag-worry, kailangan ko mag-workout, kailangan ko may exercise, kailangan kong alagaan ulit yung katawan ko. So ngayon guys, gusto kong timbangin yung sarili ko. Timbangin, so i-weigh natin kung ilang kilo na ako ngayon, ilang pound ako ngayon. So let's go. Titingnan natin kung gaano na ako kabigat. Kasi a few months ago, naalala ko nasa 60 na lang ako. Yeah, 60 kasi medyo continuous kasi yung walking ko, yung workout ko. So ngayon, tingnan natin, February, ano ngayon? March 16 ba ngayon? March 16. Anong araw ba ngayon? March 16. So check natin. Ooh. 67 guys. Oh my gosh. So, ayan. See? 67 na ako. Ilang kilos yung nadagdag sa akin. Sobrang dami. Sobrang daming kilo. Gagawin natin to at least 3 times a week yung ating workout. And then, yung walking din naman natin, wag din natin tanggalin. Kailangan continuous din tayo. Kahit 15, 30 minutes. Ako din kasi, kapag nakapag-start na kasi ako mag-walking, 10,000 steps talaga yung inaabot ko. So, that's why, mas gusto ko yung gumigising ako na madaling araw ng mga 4 a.m. para makapag-start ako ng 5 a.m. And then, 1 hour and 30 minutes kasi yun para umabot ako ng 10,000 steps. So, 6:30, dapat tapos na ako niyan kasi inabot ko na yung 10,000 steps. So, yun ang ginagawa ko pag nag-walking ako. That's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching and comment down below kung ganun din ba kayo, nag-workout din ba kayo ngayon, and okay lang mag-start tayo from the very beginning. Ang importante, mag-show up talaga tayo kasi this is for our body, diba? Para sa katawan din natin to, and syempre para sa pamilya natin, sa mga anak natin. Ito, ginagawa ko ito para sa anak ko, para sa akin, sa sarili ko, para umabot pa ako ng ilang taon, 80, 100 years, mga ganun. So, gusto ko healthy ako. So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye!